In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change contact name on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up WhatsApp app, and then let's say I want to change the name of that contact. To do that, first off, I need to get into a conversation with that contact, then tap at their name at the very top, and then tap at edit. That's where we can change the first name and the last name for that contact. Once you've done with that, don't forget to hit add save. That's how you can easily change contact name in WhatsApp. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.